Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, up till now we have learned about the basics of data structure. In that we have discussed about what do you mean by data structure, why it is important to learn the data structure. Also we discuss about the two important types of data structure, that is arrays and linked list. Then we also discuss how to implement array and linked list using Java programs. So next our topic is the stack. Now what do you mean by stack? As I mentioned earlier also, we are going to discuss about the abstract data types. So stack is an abstract data type which is commonly used in all the programming languages. Now why the name stack? Stack name is because it just behaves the same way as we behave of the real world objects. Let's take an example of cards of deck. So what do? You place a card, then you place the next card above it, then you place the next card above it. So we have a deck of cards. Now what's the important property here is that we have the structure called as last in first out, or we can say we have a manner in which we insert the cards into the deck of cards, that is last in first out. That structure is called as LIFO. It means we are going to insert the card one above the other. So whichever the card is inserted last is the first card which I need to remove it. That's why the name last in first out. Let's take an example. I remove the card randomly. So what happens is that all the cards will tumble down. So in that case it is not the proper one. So we have the stack structure in which we are going to insert the cards, or we can say we are going to insert the data elements last in first out manner. So let's take an example. We have deck of cards, then piles of plates. So what important here is that in these structures we are going to follow the last in first out. Okay, so we are going to follow which pattern? Last in first out. LIFO will stand for last in first out manner. Now here important property is what? In which manner or which way we are going to insert the element. Suppose we are going to insert the element into the stack. That particular operation is called as push operation. And similarly, if you are going to remove the element from the stack, that particular operation is called as pop operation. Okay, so in stack, insertion operation is push and removal operation is pop operation. These are the most two commonly used operation. Then we are going to represent the stack. Okay, now stack representation can be done using arrays, linked list and many other things. What we are going to discuss is the arrays and linked list implementation of the stack. In case of stack, we have two commonly operation, push and pop. Whenever data element is inserted, that operation is called as push operation. Okay, and whenever the data element is removed from the stack, that operation is called as pop operation. So while representing the stack, we need to have two important operations, push and pop. Whenever the element is inserted, that is called as push operation, and whenever the element is removed, that is called as pop operation. And the manner in which the elements are push and pop is the last in first out. As you can see in the diagram, okay, the elements are inserted one above the above, and whenever the element is removed, the topmost element needs to be removed. Then I can remove this element. If I want to remove this element, I need to first remove this element. After that I can remove this element, then I can remove this element, and then I can remove this element, and then I can remove the element. So manner in which the elements are removed or pushed is the last in first out. So you need to remember, in case of stack, we have the structure in form of last in first out. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda channel.